Careers in artificial intelligence have grown exponentially to meet the demands of those companies that are implementing digital transformation strategies. For those who don't know, there is a significant number of jobs available in the field of artificial intelligence, while there is a shortage of those professionals with necessary skills. To begin your career in AI field, you must hold a bachelor's degree in mathematics and basic computer technology to get you into entry-level job position. But if you are already a software engineer or have basic requirements met, you can quickly become an artificial intelligence developer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, business intelligence developer, research scientist, big data architect or engineer, and much more just by getting trained in a few AI-focused courses. So if careers in artificial intelligence appeal to you and you want a piece of AI pie, reach out to us today.